Picture this: 8 precisely cut pieces of inside-out sushi laid in a single curving line on a long black slate plate, each piece glistening under a warm pendant lamp, each one draped with overlapping paper-thin slices of pale green avocado that catch the light like dragon scales. A slow drizzle of mahogany unagi sauce cascades over the top from a small white porcelain pitcher. A single jewel-bright tobiko sits on the headpiece as the dragon's eye. 2 tiny scallion slivers form its whiskers. The first bite is warm, sweet broiled eel, cool, buttery avocado, tangy seasoned rice, salty nori, and that lacquered sweet soy tare all at once. This is the dragon roll, California's most beloved invention of the fusion sushi era, born in Los Angeles in the late 1980s. Tonight, the exact technique. I am joined by Tokyo Edomai sushi master Hiroshi Tanaka, 30 years behind the counter from Tsukiyabashi Jiro to his own roppongi room, and Los Angeles food historian Mariko Nakamura, who has spent 15 years documenting how California fusion sushi became Japanese-American cuisine.
Hi, Dragon Roll, Dragon Roll. In Tokyo, when I was young apprentice at Tsukiyabashi Jiro in Ginza, this roll does not exist, only Edomae nigiri, very pure. But I will teach you, because it's beautiful, maki, inside out. Technique is real. First, you must understand structure. This is uramaki, inside out roll. Rice outside, nori, inside. Why? Because American customer in 1980 see black seaweed wrapper, says no. So Japanese chef in California turn roll inside out, hide nori, show rice, very clever. Then on top thin slice avocado, like scale of dragon, like ryu, the Japanese dragon. Inside is unagi, eel, broiled, sweet, mahogany, lacquer color, and cucumber for crunch. This is structure. Now I teach you to make.
And Chef Hiroshi is right about the origin. The dragon roll is California cuisine, full stop. Sushi came to Los Angeles in 1966 when Chef Ichiro Mashita opened Tokyo Kaikan in Little Tokyo. He created the California roll, crab, avocado, cucumber, inside out, for American customers who could not yet handle raw fish. That was the founding sosaku, the founding invention. The dragon roll evolved out of that tradition in the late 1980s at various LA sushi bars. The exact origin is disputed, but most food historians credit Katsuya Uechi at the original Sushi Katsuya in Studio City as one of the early popularizers. By 1995, the dragon roll had spread across every American sushi bar from Manhattan to Miami. Today, it is the 3rd best-selling roll in the United States behind the California roll and the spicy tuna roll, and it is, without question, a Japanese-American invention.
Okay, now I tell you ingredient for one roll. 8 piece, 2 person. Listen carefully. 180 gram cooked sushi meshi, vinegar rice, must be koshihikari, Japanese short grain, no other. Cook rice 1:1 ratio with water, then while still warm season with su. 30 milliliter rice vinegar, 12 gram sugar, 6 gram salt. 5:2:1. Fan to body temperature. This is critical. 1 full sheet nori, 19 by 21 centimeter, glossy side down. 80 gram broiled unagi fillet from package, sliced 1 centimeter stick. 40 gram Japanese cucumber, 1 centimeter stick. Japanese cucumber best, English cucumber okay, American cucumber too watery. And 1 just ripe Hass avocado. Firm press, slight give, not soft. Peel half, remove pit, slice 2 mm thin on bias. You will get about 24 overlapping slice. This become the dragon scale.
And the unagi tare, the sweet, glossy eel sauce, also called kabayaki, is what gives the dragon roll its lacquered mahogany finish. You can buy it, but homemade is far better and takes 8 minutes. Combine 60 milliliters mirin, 60 milliliters Japanese soy sauce, and 30 grams of sugar in a small saucepan. Bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat and reduce uncovered for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the sauce is glossy and syrupy and coats the back of a spoon. You want a final volume of about 90 milliliters. Let cool.
Also have ready 1 teaspoon of toasted black and white sesame seeds mixed, 1 teaspoon of orange tobiko or masago flying fish roe for the dragon eyes, fresh wasabi paste or the green tube, and pickled ginger gari to serve. The wasabi soy gari trinity is the Japanese frame around every roll.
Now, technique. Bamboo makisu, rolling mat. Wrap whole mat in plastic wrap. Important, prevents rice sticking. Place nori sheet glossy side down on mat. Wet your fingertip in tezu, hand water, small bowl with 1 cup water and 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. Take 180-gram rice, spread evenly over entire nori, leaving no border. Press gentle, do not mash. Sprinkle sesame seed on top. Now flip whole sheet, rice now face down on mat, nori on top facing you. Place unagi stick and cucumber stick in line along center of nori, about 1/3 from bottom edge. Now roll. Lift bottom edge of mat with thumb, fold over filling, tuck tight with fingertip, tight, then continue rolling away from you, applying gentle pressure through the mat. End with seam down. High, you have inside-out roll.
Now comes the dragon. Take the bias-sliced avocado, 24 paper-thin slices, and lay them flat in a single overlapping row on the cutting board, each slice covering the previous one by about 1/3, until the row is as long as the roll. The trick: gently fan the row out so it stretches slightly longer than the roll itself. Now slide a wide flat spatula or the side of your knife under the entire row, and lift the avocado as one connected sheet. Drape it over the top of the roll, pressing very gently so the slices adhere to the rice. Then place the bamboo mat.
Final step, very important. With sharp knife, must be sharp. Dip blade in tezu hand water. Slice roll into 8 equal pieces. Wipe blade clean between each cut. 8 pieces. Arrange in carving line on long black slate plate or wooden ita board like dragon body. With small porcelain pitcher, drizzle the unagi tare across all 8 pieces, side to side, generous. Sprinkle remaining sesame. Place tiny dab of orange tobiko on headpiece. This is dragon eye. 2 tiny scallion sliver for whiskers. Beside roll, small amount of pink pickle ginger garlic, small dab of fresh wasabi on cedar leaf. To eat, do not drown in soy sauce. Dragon roll already has tare, very flavored. Eat 1 piece at one time with chopstick or hand. Refresh palate with garlic between pieces. So beautiful.
3 takeaways. First, the structure is uramaki, inside out, with rice outside and nori inside, hiding the seaweed for the American eye and showing the rice. The filling is unagi eel and Japanese cucumber, and the scales draped on top are 24 paper-thin bias-cut slices of just ripe Hass avocado. Second, the rice is everything. 180 grams of cooked koshikari short grain, seasoned with the classic 5-to-1 sushizu ratio, 30 milliliters of rice vinegar, 12 grams of sugar, 6 grams of salt, fanned to body temperature before you use it. And the unagi tare is 60 milliliters mirin, plus 60 milliliters soy, plus 30 grams sugar, reduced for 8 minutes until glossy. Third, the dragon roll is California cuisine, born at LA sushi bars in the late 1980s, at places like Sushi Katsuya in Studio City, a Japanese-American invention that became the 3rd best-selling roll in the United States. Thank you, Chef Hiroshi Tanaka. Thank you, Mariko Nakamura. Until next time.